What's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
Welcome back to the Delphi. Hey, guys.
What's up?
Yes, welcome back to the Delphi family vlog. Yes, so as we told you last time, we will be doing a photo shoot very soon. We are here today with my friend Kian. Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man, our photographer. Introduce yourself, number G.
yeah, Kian Pretty. They can follow me, Kian Pretty Photography on Instagram, and they can follow my YouTube page, Unboxing JA.
Yep. Yeah, man, so I'm actually in the YouTube thing too, right? You do some unboxing, so anywhere, any food spot, you know, him go there, test out the food, tell him about it. Yeah, man, he's actually a very good photographer, right?
He actually did our wedding, guys.
Yeah.
So you guys will be seeing our wedding photographs, our
Video too.
our engagement shoot.
You wanna post the video?
This guy
No,
is
not yet.
responsible.
Well, personal Facebook or whatever, but yeah. So go ahead. Yeah.
So he's responsible for all that. So you're going to see those gorgeous pictures soon, and we are planning to put our wedding video on YouTube. So look out for that. So
Yeah.
you'll be seeing it.
In a lot of the reviews that we've gotten, we've seen where the persons are saying that they are wowed when they come to the apartment, meaning that the photos that are on Airbnb does not do the justice of the premises, right? So that just shows you how important photography is to any business that you are doing, right? If you come on to even product shoots, we talk about like if you even make a product, we talk about that. Like makeup, whatever kind of products you make, right? A professional photographer will do the trick for your business in getting clients, all right? Because as I say, amateur photos does not sell your
the one
product.
that we had up.
Yeah, they don't do justice to your product, right? So getting a professional shoot will definitely help.
Will you buy that?
Yeah, hold on, you buy it. You like it?
So we're just gonna take a shot of the.
Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna shoot rooms to give the definition photos of the living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, just the decor so you can have it on the Airbnb.
Yeah.
Prettier pictures, more attractive pictures give you more viewership,
Yeah.
more perspective of customers.
True.
So that's why you should get a professional photographer. Now forget me, you can get somebody else, but once I'm professional.
But film work very good, we can tell you though.
Yeah, we can definitely vote for his job.
Pretty photography. That's what I say here. Kian Pretty. As I say, Kian Pretty on Instagram. You can find him. Right, so I'll leave info about his work in the description.
Definitely.
You know?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you this. So then we'll finish now. We're shooting in the kitchen. We'll just open this door. And we'll have to go on there.
Alright.
So we get a little breeze, guys.
Yo, you saw the place cloudy? There's something started.
You'll see it. You'll see it. If you go by the sea,
Yeah.
you'll see it.
More.
Because I've been on Trinidad and some other islands got it from over the weekend.
What is that?
Yeah.
The sand from Africa.
Yeah. So what's happening? What we're talking about is the Sahara Desert. The dirt from the soil is actually blowing our direction.
From Africa.
The Sahara Desert is in Africa. So it's blowing across the Atlantic Ocean, coming straight to the Caribbean Sea right now. Basically blanket the Caribbean.
Yeah, so if they look outside, whenever you post this, they'll probably see it already.
Yeah.
I think probably can take some pictures and put it in there as well. So, but we had things like this before where things coming from Africa.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it was the sun, but it was more off. there are times when things can leave from Africa.
Because we know the hurricanes.
Yeah,
it's because of the winds.
Yeah.
You know, Africa winds, Africa warm air mixed with like the North American cold air, and it eventually causes the cyclone. We know that with that, you know. You know, generally, our region is affected by everybody else around, because even the South Coast beaches right now, you have the seaweed from South America coming, you know, lodging on the South Coast. Yeah. 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 Seaweed, like we are warm time in Jamaica now because of, you know, where we are basically seaweed come from, as we say, South America. Come over.
So when I finish the rooms and others before that, the canvas and the dots and the stuff. Right, so I'll go in though, and I'll get the TV, but
We're just doing some minor fixing. Still having issues with these wall fixtures. So one of the reasons why we really need a photographer, right, Kian, is because we, the layman, don't really know how to focus on images. Like if I see like a photographer take a picture and you're like, damn, but I was there, I took pictures, but they didn't look like that. you know how to focus and zero in on certain images, and you know about your cameras and your lenses and stuff like that. That's one of the benefits that we need at this moment, because we don't know a lot of those stuff. And of course we put up our pictures and we did get booking. We become super hosts. But again, Adrian said that, you know, most of the time persons can be like, wow, this place so really look like this on the pictures. So, you know, we are working, as we said, we're always working on improving the product that we're offering, and this is one of the ways that we can surely improve it by just putting up good pictures.
Yeah, like I said, good pictures, because good is relative.
good is relative, right?
But pictures that will grab person. Just like when you put a thumbnail on your videos, and you grab the first viewer, the first couple of viewers. You want person to quickly view your ad because they're looking for something. Even if they're not looking for it, them see it. And then they can one day remember that they saw this, go back to it, or even pass it on to somebody else, which is, you know, the referral thing.
So the better your images are, then the greater your click-through rate will be. You know, so that's what we're
just like
doing.
when you go downtown and you go to market.
Yeah.
And the person with the prettiest tomato and prettiest pepper and thing, you want to buy from them. So.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Simple as that.
So basically, we are trying to have, you know, very good images up, so that it can reflect to what they're getting, because they are getting a good product, but they have
We don't want the photos undersell it.
Yeah. So we want to improve that.
Measures everything together. Exact.
Alright. Even on the rainfall, that makes one difference. You can see the heat coming off of the ground.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Wide angle.
Yeah. So you can get everything one time.
Yeah guys, we're gonna leave you right here while Kian continues to do his shoot, right? But if you want a professional photographer, Kian's the man, right? Info is in the description. You know, and if you've watched 3-4 of our videos already and you haven't subscribed just yet, why not just hit the subscription button so you'll be notified whenever we make another post, right? Hit the notification bell as well, that's very important.
So you know every single time we post a video, and give us a thumbs up if you like our video.
Yeah man, thank you.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Cool.